When it comes to luxury and style, Audi has always been at the top of its class. But what happens when that style is combined with impeccable everyday practicality? The result is this stunning car, the 2026 Audi A5 Limousine. This car is more than just a stunning car, it's the complete package. Before we take a closer look at this beautiful car, please do me a favor. If you're a fan of elegant design and advanced engineering, hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss our next video. And don't forget to share this with your friends. Let's move on to the exterior. From the front, the 2026 A5 immediately catches your eye. The new, wider single-frame grille with its intricate honeycomb pattern gives the car a more aggressive and sporty look. Sharp LED headlights and the striking light bar that stretches between them create an instantly recognizable, futuristic look. The car looks confident and ready for action, even when stationary. The rear design is a masterpiece with clean lines and a purposeful design. The standout feature is undoubtedly the new signature taillights. A thin LED strip connects the two headlight clusters, creating a beautiful and dynamic array of lighting. Dual exhaust tips and a subtle diffuser hint at the power and performance under the hood. The design is a stunning sight, especially when driving on a rainy night. Now, let's step inside. The interior is a place of pure modern luxury. Its minimalist design is dominated by a large, curved digital display for driver information and the infotainment system. Ambient lighting adds a unique, futuristic glow to the cabin, highlighting the premium materials and impeccable fit and finish. The steering wheel feels sporty and connected, and all the controls are intuitively placed. The cabin envelopes you in luxury, while providing all the technology you need for a seamless driving experience. Despite its limousine name, the A5 shown here is a sportback, meaning it combines coupe styling with hatchback practicality. The rear tailgate opens to an incredibly spacious cargo area, making it far more versatile than a traditional sedan. Under the hood, we can expect a range of powerful and efficient engines, with Audi's legendary Quattro all-wheel drive system, delivering confident handling in any condition. This is a car that proves you don't have to sacrifice style for everyday usability. So, what do you think of the new 2026 Audi A5? Does this redesign suit your tastes? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more great car content, and share it with your friends. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.